Hello, I'm Crystle Bruno, and I'm here to talk to you about Cadence Cloud. Today we're going to discuss the four main values of Cadence Cloud: security, flexibility, scalability, and productivity. Security has always been a main concern when talking about the public cloud. Whether it's moving your business applications or your design work, there's always been concern about putting any data or unique IP into a public cloud environment. Over the last 10 years or so, many of the IaaS vendors have been working on making their offering more mature and more secure. So in terms of security, we already have the native security of the vendor. With Cadence Cloud, on top of that, we add additional applications, best practices, and penetration testing. By adding these layers of security on top of each other, we actually end up with a solution that is maybe in some ways more secure than traditional or other types of data centers. For flexibility, Cadence Cloud offers you the flexibility to have both a customer-managed and a Cadence-managed environment. So you have flexibilities of models, where you manage the cloud for yourself, or Cadence manages the cloud for you. You have flexibility in terms of the infrastructure as a service vendor. And you have the flexibility to mix and match our offerings to find something that works best for you. Then there's scalability. You might say scalability is a general benefit of the public cloud, and that's true. But with Cadence Cloud, you actually get intelligent scalability. Now this means that we select and configure the right type of compute, storage, and other infrastructure that's needed for the specific software. So in that way, it's EDA optimized. You get the most out of the environment for the software and the design work that you want to do. And last, there's productivity, which is really the sum or the core value of Cadence Cloud. With it, you get the EDA optimized environment that's secure and flexible, and you're able to give your engineers the infrastructure that they need to be most productive and to get to market faster. For more information on Cadence Cloud, go to cadence.com.